Hello students, in previous video we have to started topic number 15 area. In that we have to study different formula, and with the help of this formula we have to calculate some examples. In that we study the area of rhombus, area of trapezium and area of parallelogram. Up to that 15.3 we have to complete it. Today we have to learn about area of a triangle. With the calculating area of triangle, we have to use two formula. The first formula is we have to first calculate semi-perimeter of the triangle, and it is denoted by letter S. The semi-perimeter is denoted by S and formula is A plus B plus C divided by 2. A, B, C's are the values of sides of the triangle given in the example. Second formula is area of triangle is equal to into the square root S, into that first bracket S minus A, second bracket S minus B and third bracket S minus C. Okay, hope you understand both these formula. Let's solve some example with the help of this formula. The example is, if the side of triangles are 17 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Okay, let's solve this example with the help of formula. First we have to calculate semi-perimeter of the triangle. The semi-perimeter of the triangle S is equal to A plus B plus C. These values are given in the example. The value of A is 17 centimeter, B is 25 centimeter and C is 26 centimeter. Let's add this value in the formula. 17 plus 25 plus 26 divided by 2. Addition of 17 plus 25 plus 26 is 68 divided by 2. The answer will be 34 centimeter. The semi-perimeter of the triangle is 34 centimeter. Here we have to calculate the values of S. Next we have to write the second formula, area of a triangle is equal to into square root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, let's add this value. Value of S we have to calculate in the above formula, that is 34. Into the first bracket, value of S is 34 minus value of A is 17. Into the next bracket, 34 minus 25 and last bracket 34 minus 26. Okay. First solve the bracket. 34 into 34 minus 17, answer is 17. 34 minus 25, answer is 9. Into 34 minus 26, answer is 8. The values is 34 into 17 into 9 into 8. Let's factorize this number. Okay, 17 2s are 34. 17 is written as it is. Okay, factorize the 9, that is 3 3s are 9. Into factorize the 8, that is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Okay, we have to factorize this whole number. Okay, group the same number together. 17 17 write together. Next 2 2. Next here also 2 is present. Then 3 into 3. Here all numbers are written in a pair and we have to take a square root of this number. 17 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, we have to take in square root of this number. The answer will be 204 square centimeter. 204 square centimeter. Okay, let's see the example again. The example is, if the side of a triangle is 17 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 26 centimeter, find the area of a triangle. First we have to write the formula of calculating semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. In that we have to add the values 17 plus 25 plus 26 divided by 2. Addition of this number is 68 divided by 2. Okay, if we divide 68 by 2, answer is 34 centimeter. The value of S is become 34 centimeter. We have to use second formula, area of triangle is equal to into square root S into first bracket S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. In that formula we have to add the values given in the example. Value of S is 34, we have to return all here, and value of A, B, C also written in minus form, that is 17, 24 and 26. First we have to solve this bracket. 34 minus 17, answer is 17. 34 minus 25, answer is 9. 34 minus 26, answer is 8. Then 34 into 17 into 9 into 8, these numbers are present into the square root. We have to factorize this number. त्याचे आपण अवयव काढून घेतले. उदाहरणार्थ 34 चा अवयव काय आहे? 17 गुणिले 2. 17 चे फॅक्टर्स पडू शकतात का? नाही, त्यामुळे ते तसंच ठेवलं. 9 चं फॅक्टरायझेशन काय केलं आपण? 3 त्रिक 9. त्यानंतर 8 चं कसं केलं? 2 गुणिले 2 4, 4 गुणिले 2 8. मग हे सगळे नंबर्स आपण काय केले? एकसारखे नंबर पेअर मध्ये इथं लिहून घेतले. आता पेअर मध्ये आहेत म्हणजेच ते कसे आहेत? स्क्वेअर आहेत. आणि स्क्वेअर रूट असेल तर आपण त्याचा स्क्वेअर रूट काढून घेतला. 2 17 ऐवजी एकदाच लिहिलं 17, म्हणजेच आपण त्याचा स्क्वेअर रूट काढून घेतला. या 2 च्या ऐवजी एकच घेतला, या 2 च्या ऐवजी एक आणि या 2 3 च्या ऐवजी हे एकदाच घेतलं. मग व्हॅल्यूज काय काय शिल्लक राहिल्या? 17 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 3 आणि यांचा गुणाकार किती आला? 204 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर. Students, okay, let's solve some more example based on this formula. Second example is, side of a triangle are 45 centimeter, 39 centimeter, 42 centimeter. Find its area. First we have to write the values of A, B and C. Value of A is 45 centimeter, B is 39 centimeter and C is 42 centimeter. First we have to calculate semi-perimeter A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, we have to simply add this value. 45 plus 39 plus 42 divided by 2. Okay, let's add this value 45, 39 and 42. Value is 126 divided by 2. After that the value will be 63. Okay, 126 divided by 2, answer is 63. Means value of S is 63. Let's calculate area of a triangle. Write the formula. S into first bracket S minus A, second bracket S minus B and third bracket S minus C. Add these values. 63 into bracket 63 minus 45 and 63 minus 39 and 63 minus 42 centimeter. First we have to solve the bracket values. 63 minus 45, how many? 8. 18. Okay. Next 63 minus 39. It is 24. and 63 minus 42. It is 21. Let's factorize the number. Okay. 3. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Means 21. 3s are 3. Next 18. 9 2s are 18. Then 4 6s are 24. 21 remains as it is. Again factorize the number. Here 21 and 21 comes 2 times, so it does not need for factorize. Okay. Then 3 is written as it is. 21 and this 21 written as it is. Factorize the 9. 3 3s are 9. 2 is written as it is. Then 4. 2 2s are 4. And 3 2s are 6. Okay. Write the pairing of numbers. 21 into 21. 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Then 2 into 2. And 2 into 2. Okay. Group of numbers come here. Taking the square root. 21 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2. Okay, the value will be 756 square centimeter. If we multiply this number, the value will be 756 square centimeter. Let's see this example again. According to example, we have to write values of A, B and C. Value of A is 45 centimeter, B is 39 centimeter, C is 42 centimeter. First we have to write the semi-perimeter formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. In that we have to add the values 45 plus 39 plus 42 divided by 2. The addition of this number is 126. Divided by 2. Then S is equal to 63. After that we have to write the area of a triangle in the square root. S into first bracket S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. In this formula we have to add these values. In the next step we have to solve the bracket first. 63 minus 45, 18. 63 minus 39, 24. 63 minus 42, answer is 21. Then we have to factorize the all number. Here 21 3s are 63, 9 2s are 18 and 4 6s are 24. 21 is written as it is because here 21 comes in 2 times. So it is does not necessary for factorize again. Then here 3 is written as it is, 21 is written as it is. Factorize 9, 3 into 3, 9. 2 is written as it is, 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, all numbers are written in pairing form. 21 into 21, 3, 3, 2 and 2. We are taking square root. 21 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. The multiplication is 756 square centimeter. Okay student, let's solve another example. Students, let's solve the third example. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. In that the side of PS is 36 centimeter, SR is 15 centimeter, RQ is 25 centimeter and PQ is 56 centimeter. In that we do not use directly the formula. First, in that quadrilateral, 2 types of triangle is present. The triangle PSR is a right angle triangle. Therefore, with the help of this, we have to simply use the area of triangle, that is 1/2 into base into height. Height is nothing but the PS is height of the triangle and SR is the base of the triangle. So first we have to calculate area of triangle PSR. Area of triangle PSR is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Add this value, 1/2 base is SR, that is 15, and height is 36. Okay, we have to divide 36 by 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 36. 2 8s are 60. What will be remaining? 15 into 18. Okay, and the values become, okay, we have to multiply this. The values is 217. Area of triangle PSR is equal to 217. After that, the calculating PQR, we does not know value of PR. Here we are using that is Pythagoras theorem and calculate the PR. Okay, PSR is a right angle triangle. So triangle PSR is right angle triangle. Okay, so according to Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PS square plus SR square. Value of PS is 36 square and value of SR is 15 square. 36 square, 36 into 36, okay. Value is 1296 and 15 square is 225. Okay, add this value, 1296 plus 2225. Value is in the square root 1521 and square root of this is PR is equal to 39 centimeter. Okay, we have to calculate value of PR. It is 39 centimeter according to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then we have to calculate the semi perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C is equal divided by 2. Value of A is 56, B is 25 and C. Next is we have to calculate PR is 39 divided by 2. Simply add this value, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 20. 120 divided by 2. We have to divide 120 by 2, answer will be 60. Okay, we have to calculate semi perimeter. S is equal to 60. Let's see this example again. In this example, two triangles are present in the quadrilateral PQRS. In that, we have to calculate area of PSR with the help of this formula 1/2 into base into height. We have to add this value and the value become 270. Okay, after that we have to calculate area of triangle PQR, but we do not know the value of PR. So triangle PSR is a right angle triangle. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, we have to calculate value of PR. According to Pythagoras theorem, PS square plus SR square is equal to PR square. Value of PS is 36 square plus SR is 15 square. 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. Addition is 1521 and their square root is 39 centimeter. Okay, we have to calculate value of PR. After that we calculate semi perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. We have to add this value and getting semi perimeter, that is S is equal to 60. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या उदाहरणामध्ये या चौकोनामध्ये दोन त्रिकोण आहेत. पहिला त्रिकोण जर आपण गृहीत धरला PSR तर हा काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. मग याला उंचीही आहे आणि पायाही आहे, त्यामुळे या त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळासाठी आपण 1/2 बेस इंटू हाईट हा फॉर्म्युला वापरला. त्याच्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यूज ऍड करून आपल्याला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PSR किती मिळालं? 270. यानंतर आपल्याला PQR चं क्षेत्रफळ काढायचं असेल तर PR ची किंमत माहित नाहीये. मग PR ची किंमत आपण पायथागोरस थेरम नुसार काढून घेतली, कारण PSR हा कसा आहे? काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. पायथागोरस थेरम नुसार PR ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला किती मिळाली? 39 सेंटीमीटर. आता दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणातील तिन्ही बाजू आपल्याला माहित आहे, त्यामुळे आपण सेमी पेरिमीटर काढू शकतो. सेमी पेरिमीटर काढत असताना आपण काय केलं? तिन्ही बाजूंची बेरीज केली आणि त्याला दोन्ही भागलं आणि सेमी पेरिमीटर किती आलेलं आहे? 60 आलेलं आहे. आता आपण या त्रिकोणाचं काय करणार आहोत? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल काढून घेणार आहोत. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू S into first bracket S minus A into second bracket S minus B and into second bracket S minus C. Okay, let's add this value. Value of S is 60. Okay, therefore 60 minus 56. 60 minus 25 and 60 minus 39. Okay, let's calculate the subtraction. 60 minus 56 is 4. Then 60 minus 25 is 5 and 35. Okay. Then 60 minus 39. How will be? 21. Okay. Factorize the whole number. 15 4s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 7 5s are 35 and 7 3s are 21. Okay, those numbers are getting in a pair. They do not need to factorize and remaining numbers should be factorized. Okay, 5 3s are 15. 2 2s are 4. These 2s are written as it is. 7 are written as it is. 5 is also as it is and 3 is also as it is. Okay, pair the numbers. Taking square root, 5 into okay, whole numbers are present in pair. Let's taking the square root, 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, then 60 into 7. Answer will be 420 square centimeter. Okay, area of triangle PQR is 420 centimeter. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इथं आपण त्रिकोणाचं क्षेत्रफळ लिहिलं. सेमी पेरिमीटर आपण आधीच काढून घेतलं होतं, त्याचं उत्तर 60 आलेलं होतं. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण किमती घातल्या. सुरुवातीला आपण कंसातल्या सगळ्या वजाबाकी करून घेतल्या. 60 मधून 56 गेले 4, 60 मधून 25 गेले 35, 60 मधून 39 गेले 21. त्यानंतर आपण स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये असणाऱ्या सगळ्या नंबरचे फॅक्टरायझेशन केलं, अवयव पाडले. 15 चौक 60, 2 दुने 4, 7 पाचा 35, 7 त्रिक 21. आता जे नंबर ऑलरेडी डबल वेळा आलेले आहेत त्यांचं फॅक्टराइज करायची आवश्यकता नाही, परंतु असे काही नंबर आहेत जे पेअरिंग मध्ये डबल वेळा आले नाही आहेत त्यांचं मात्र फॅक्टरायझेशन करावं लागेल. उदाहरणार्थ 15चं केलं आपण 5 त्रिक 15, 4चं केलं 2 दुने 4, हे 2 आहे तसे लिहिले, हे दोन्ही 7 एकत्र लिहिले, 5 आहे तसा लिहिला आणि 3 आहे तसा लिहिला. आता सगळे नंबर्स आपण एकत्रित केले, 5 गुणिले 5, 3 गुणिले 3, 2 गुणिले 2, 2 गुणिले 2 आणि 7 गुणिले 7. हे लिहित असताना काळजी घ्या की कुठला नंबर तुमच्याकडून लिहायचा राहू नये किंवा कुठला अंक फॅक्टराइज करायचा राहिलेला असेल तर तो करून घ्यावा. त्यानंतर आपण या सगळ्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलं. स्क्वेअर रूट म्हणजे काय, जे डबल वेळा नंबर आलेले आहेत ते आपण एकदाच घ्यायचं. मग या 2 5च्या ऐवजी एकदाच घेतलं, या 2 3च्या ऐवजी एकदाच 3 लिहिलं, या 2च्या ऐवजी एकदाच 2 लिहिलं, या 2च्या ऐवजी एकदाच 2 लिहिलं आणि 7 गुणिले 7चं काय लिहिलं, एकदाच 7 लिहिलं. आता या सगळ्यांचं गुणाकार करून उत्तर किती आलं, 420 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर. परंतु आपल्याला काय काढायला सांगितलेलं आहे, पूर्ण क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRSचं क्षेत्रफळ काढायला सांगितलेलं आहे. मग क्षेत्रफळ काढण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, दोन्ही त्रिकोणांची बेरीज करावी लागेल. आता इथं एरिया ऑफ PSR 270 आलेला आहे, हे आपण पुसूया. आता आपण एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल PQRS इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PSR प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR. काय केलं आपण, या दोन्ही त्रिकोणांची बेरीज करणार आहोत. PSR आपला किती आलेला होता, 270 आणि PQR किती आलेला आहे, 420. यांची बेरीज करूया. ओके, द ऍडिशन विल बी 619 स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटर. एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल PQRS is equal to 690 square centimeter. Dear student, hope you understand this example. Practice this example again in your notebook and also solve practice set 15.4. See you in next video with next formula. Thank you.